Hello friends, welcome back to Garage Event. If you are new to Garage Event, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Today I am making a very delicious squid suka. This is much better than the one what you get in hotel. The local name for squid includes calamari or bandas. Squid has many health benefits. One among the major includes they help prevent arthritis. Let's begin to make the recipe. Here I have taken 1.5 kg of squid. I have cut it into rings. Crushed garlic 20, 1 big tablespoon grated ginger, 2 medium onions finely chopped. Now let's cook the squid. I'm heating around 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Saute for few seconds. Add the chopped onions. Turmeric powder. Stir fry until onion turns transparent. Add the ginger and the garlic. Stir fry well until the raw smell of the onion and garlic is gone. Now we'll be adding the squid pieces. Stir fry for around 3 to 5 minutes under moderate heat. Close the lid and let it cook under low heat for around 5 minutes. Now let's prepare masala powder for making the suka. We need Byadagi red chili, cinnamon sticks, knof, green cardamom pods, coriander seeds, jeera, clove and methi seeds. Ingredient list is also available in description box below. You also need half lemon sized tamarind. Heat 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and roast all the whole spices. Let the flame be under low heat. I'll be roasting it for a minute or two. After roasting, cool it for some time and then transfer it to a mixer jar. Add the tamarind, grind it to a powder. It should not be coarse nor fine. This is the consistency of the powder which you have to do. Masala powder is ready. Now let's make coconut powder. We need half coconut. I have taken medium sized coconut. I'm going to roast the coconut, so I'm going to heat 2 teaspoons of coconut oil and roast the coconut for around 1 to 2 minutes. Let the flame be under low heat. After a minute, I'm adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Continue roasting for few seconds. Cool the roasted coconut and transfer it to the mixer jar. Grind it coarsely. Simultaneously, I'm looking in for the squid which we had kept for cooking. You can see the squid has liberated water. This is the reason why we are making dry masala powders and coconut powder. I have added salt. Now mix it well. Now I'm going to add the powdered masala. Mix it well. As we have used Byadagi red chili, you can see the color of the masala here. Let the added masala cook well along with the squid. Now I'll be adding the coarsely powdered coconut. Mix well. Now you can see as we have added the dry masala powder and coarsely ground coconut which will absorb all the water which was liberated while cooking the squid. After adding all the dry powdered masala and the coconut, we are going to stir it well and cook it for some more minutes. So I'll be closing the lid and cooking it for 3 minutes. Now here you can see how it has liberated oil. Squid suka looks perfect. Now finally I want to give a tadka of red chili and curry leaves. I have taken around 4 to 5 red chili and 3 strands of curry leaves roughly chopped. Heat around 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and stir fry the curry leaves and the red chili. Finally, add it to the squid suka. This is perfect. delicious squid sukka is ready to be served. I'm sure you're going to love making this recipe. Please do try this and do let me know your views in the comment box. Also, please do watch my other recipes and share your views. Thank you for watching Garajavan. Stay connected for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking. Bye.